Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm super stoked, I'm super pumped, I'm super excited. It's actually my wedding anniversary and we're going out to dinner. So I want to do something kind of, not too crazy. So if you want to see how we, slay the face for the anniversary, you already know what to do. Keep on watching.
On my way home, stumbling on the pavement.
Okay, I know my hair is like crazy. I have a lot going on up here. Let's ignore that and let's jump into this. I want to do something not too crazy. My dress is kind of bright, so let's go into this. This is the Beaker brown, so Makeup by Yolondo. I'm gonna go into this brown right here. Because I don't want it to be too crazy. Okay, that is that for that. Oh my god. This is a Y11. I'm gonna go into this shade right here and I'm just gonna put this on my, like, right here. This is a M518. I think I'm gonna go into this shade right here. Then we're gonna go back to here. This look is not gonna be super difficult. This brown is so dark. It's almost like a black. This is from Alma Cosmetics. I need like something small. Looking for someone who cares about my needs. Ain't nobody calling. Man, I need to wash my brushes because I'm starting to run low. This is what from Ruce, and it's just a shadow brush. And then I'm gonna go into this palette right. This palette is actually there's a shimmer in there, but I don't know about that. I'm gonna go into this pat McGrath, and I'm going to go into this shade right here. This palette is which one? Mothership MM. I think it's 12. I think it's the Mothership X Moonlit Seduction. Oh, ain't nobody calling my phone up just to make sure I get home safe. And then I'm gonna use this M506. I'm gonna go back to this. I think I'm gonna use this brown right here. Is this brown? Yes. Just to buff those two shades out, like right here. And back to that brown. I just put a little bit right here. Okay, so that's it for this eye. I'm gonna go off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so we are back and let us talk about Miss Catrice liquid coverage foundation. So my shade is 055, which is warm bamboo. So first I'm gonna go with my Hydro Grip from Milk Cosmetics because I'm going out and I need it to grip. Man, my wig is trying to clock me today. And I'm like, girl, what are we doing? So I'm gonna have to go mess with this. Actually, I'm gonna put a little bit of sunscreen just in my forehead actually, and on my cheek. Look right here. And let's give her a good shake. Let's put it on one side and then let's go with my flawless brush. And we're gonna go in with our ABH. I don't even know if they, I'm guessing they have a concealer. Again, like, I don't necessarily focus too much on like the concealers, because again, your girl is a very small YouTuber. I don't get any products into me. I have to buy all my stuff. So let this stay here, marinate for a second, and let us jump into this. So I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury contour cream. I love this. And now we're gonna go in with our slick brush. I'm gonna blend this. Oh. Gonna blend. And now I'm gonna take my foundation brush and I'm just gonna tap like right here. Adjust the edges. Now we're gonna go in. I'm gonna use my blush from Item Beauty, and it's Allison Ray from TikTok. That's her makeup line. Now I'm gonna go in. I can just go like this. If I wouldn't sweat like crazy, I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Forever powder. Try not to do this too tight, cause last time I could not open it, and I can't open it. This is, my hand is slippery. You know, I'm pre-gaming for my, you know, anniversary. Then I'm gonna go in and then just set the rest of my face. Ain't nobody calling my phone up just to make sure I get home safe and sound. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. And I like how I just left this around my neck. Ooh, your girl is hot. Those lights, all these lights. I think this is maybe because of the time I'm recording, because it's like smack down in the middle of the day and it's like 100 degrees outside. Okay, so let us go ahead and let us blondify the face. This is from Prime Beauty. It's locked in. It's a loose powder. But you know, Why not do something that's a bad idea on my anniversary when I'm about to go out to dinner, right? Well, actually, this brush is from Lee LA L, the L14. So for this, you have to go with a light hands because it's a loose powder, which means it just like literally just holds onto the brush. And this is pretty dark too, so. But I bought it specifically to use as this, so it's gonna be used. And I almost dropped this. And then for blush, I'm gonna use my pom pom. Oh my god, I've been using this like from since I got it. I need to switch to something else. This is from Benefit and it's so pretty. Oh, this is P105 from Makeup by Yolondo. And I'm just going in with that dark brown first, and then I'm gonna go in with that kind of like reddish brown. So this is more kind of like a cool tone brown, and then I'm gonna go in with like the warm brown. I am hot. Now I'm clearing the same brush, and then we're just gonna go in. And then I'm gonna put, this is actually like a brow, it says a pro pencil, and it's an eyeshadow primer and color corrector, but I like to put it in my waterline, and that's from ABH. Because I feel like it kind of breaks down the darkness or the smokiness or whatever you want to call it. And now I'm gonna put something in my waterline. Man, look at us, like just going, almost done. Put a little glue. I am trying to see what I can put in my inner corner. Actually, I might put a little bit of this, maybe. Yep, this is perfect. Just dust that off. Okay. Let us put some highlighter on. Don't put too much. And I'm gonna use my Benefit Professional. Okay, for my lip, I'm gonna go ahead and use Chai from ABH. This is what? This is High Jinx from Sugar Pill. Okay, so that's it for this, nice soft glam for my anniversary dinner. I'm so excited. I've been with my husband for a very long time. I love him so much. He is perfect for me. So yeah, so that's it guys for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.
I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Yeah. I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Never been in love.